Hello there. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best drones under $100 in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, and then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a drone under $100. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Scoot Mini Drone. The Scoot Mini Drone features advanced, hands-free operation, which makes it a great drone for all ages. With an enclosed frame and infrared obstacle sensors, it's also safe for use in any indoor space. It comes with a USB charging cord, making it easy to charge anywhere, and it gets a full charge within an hour. With 8 minutes of non-stop flight time, playing fun interactive games with your friends at a very affordable price has never been easier. Scoot is a fun and easy-to-fly indoor drone for kids aged 8 and up. Whether it's at a friend's house or at home, this portable drone is a delight to fly with friends, siblings, and the whole family. Number 4. VISUO XS809W. VISUO goes by many names on Amazon, including Gord VE, Auto Relio, Leaning Tech, and ZWN. Due to the product's popularity, many brands resell it under a different name. Why? Because for a very low price, you can get a foldable drone with a built-in 2-megapixel camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Live video, has long transmission. As expected from a widely popular quadcopter, the XS809W performs very well both indoors and outdoors. At lower speed, it's very easy to maneuver and hover steadily. At high speeds, it becomes fairly maneuverable and one could even say a bit acrobatic. The drone can be controlled via 2.4 GHz remote controller included, or via smartphone through an app. Number 3. Eachine E58. The sleekest looking pocket drone on the market. Its design is based on DJI Mavic Pro, one could even say a copy of the famous DJI Quad. Eachine E58 packs a 2-megapixel camera and can transmit live video via Wi-Fi. The Eachine E58 is a very stable quadcopter that fights the wind efficiently. It's beginner-friendly, but not the fastest drone on the market. At its top speed, it flies as fast as a brisk walking pace, but still remains easy to maneuver. Each battery charge will last you around 10 minutes, but the deal we have linked to comes with 3 batteries for less than $100. The built-in camera is surprisingly better quality than we expected, and the live video transmission has no lag, which is an amazing detail in our opinion. Number 2. DROCON X708W. Another popular drone aimed at beginners and the entire family. Great to fly outdoors, the drone is one of the best drones under $100. It can be flown indoors, but the outdoor experience is much better. Almost the perfect drone for beginners, has a very steady hover and is easily maneuverable thanks to the 6-axis gyro system. It has 2 speed modes, high and low. At low speed, the X708W is the ideal drone to practice before moving on to a higher-end drone. The image quality of the X708W's built-in camera is actually surprisingly good. Both recorded video and live video displayed on the smartphone's device. 720p resolution. This live video is done via Wi-Fi directly to the pilot's device. Live image is lag-free, unlike most FPV drones under $100 that have image latency. Number 1. Eachine E520 Drone. Echine's E520 goes a lot further than its price range. This may be a sub-$100 drone, but it certainly goes the extra mile. E520 is the drone we handpicked for our best upgrade category. It may seem unbelievable that you can purchase such a 4K drone for under $100, but technology advances so fast, and with that comes budget drones with specs that only under $200 drones would feature a few years ago. The number one characteristic that makes Echine's drone such a great buy is the ease of use. This drone will be easily operated even by the very beginners. On the other hand, if you already grasped the knacks of operating a drone, there are many features to keep you interested as well. Now that we showed you the best drones under $100 out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Can I fly indoors and outdoors? It depends. There are drones which can be flown both indoors and outdoors, while others are specific to one type of flying only. Don't worry, when discussing each, we'll mention if they can be flown indoors and outdoors or both. Are these drones safe for children? Most drones within the $100 category are great for children because they're lightweight and don't have much power. A great drone for a kid must have a protective frame around the propellers and the motor, a steady hover, a responsive control, and a plastic frame. We'll point out the ones which are best for kids. Is a drone worth the money? If you wish to enhance your photos and/or videos, or looking for unique ways to simplify the way you do business, or are just searching for a fun weekend project, then a drone may be worth your time and money. The decision to purchase your very own drone can be difficult, especially if you're on a budget.